A strategy that involves calculus or derivative to solve this problem would be to set this up as a distance from the origin to some point here. We'll label that as x and y, which we'll replace with ln x over 3. And to find the distance we'll call d, we'll just use Pythagoras. It's going to be d squared is equal to x squared plus y squared, or in this case it's going to be log of x divided by 3 squared. And we can argue that we can square root this to find the distance, but we can argue that we can find the minimum distance if we minimize d squared. So I'm not going to bother square rooting this, and I'm just going to write it like this: d squared of x prime, and I'm going to differentiate this and minimize this equation. So we end up with 2x plus, and we're going to end up with 2 times log x, and that's all over 3 squared, and then times the derivative of log x, which is 1 over x. So this equation is equal to 0. We can then solve this equation. Simplifying this, we get 2x plus 2 over 9x log x equals 0. Multiply both sides by 9 over, so I'm going to do this, and then multiply by 9x over 2, and I'm going to end up with, in this case, we'll end up with 9x squared plus log x equals 0, and then solving this, we get x is the same value as we had before, whatever the solution was for the previous problem.